Hello everyone, my name is Dirlay Andrea Alvarez Ordóñez and this is my step 4 record a video about the English 5 course. Okay, let's start. The first superstition is the black cat. In United States, and the people say that you find a black cat in front of you, you will have bad luck. However, in Scotland, the people say that you find a black cat in front of your house, you will have good luck because you will have a lot of money. But in Colombia, the people think similar to in United States. In Colombia, the people say that you find a black cat, you will bad luck. You will have bad luck. The second superstition is about the snakes. In Thailand, the people think that if you drink with a snake holding you, is because you will marry very soon. In Japan, the people think that when you find a white snake is because you will have a good luck. However, in Colombia, the people or I don't know any superstition about the snakes because in Colombia the people think that the snake is a normal animal. It's a dangerous animal for Colombian person. The third superstition is the full moon. In Spain, the people think that it's not good live in night full moon because you will find scary gods or spirits. But in Turkey, the people say that you were born in full moon night, you will have a bright future. But in Colombia, the people say that when it's a full moon night, the people who have an injury present greater pain. The next superstition is the broom. In Brazil, the people say that when you to put a broom behind the door, you will not have any unwanted visitors. But in UK, the people think that it's not good to buy new brooms in May. They say that if you buy brooms in this month, you will have very bad luck. In Colombia, the superstition is similar to in Brazil, but the people think that when you to put the brooms behind the doors, the visitors leave of your house. Other superstition in Colombia is that when a person broom your feet, you will marry a widower. Okay, thank you for your attention. Hello everyone, my name is Dirlay Alvarez and this is my step 4, record a video, and this is the part number 2 about the English 5 course. In my family, we have many superstitions. In December, in December has a lot of superstitions. Number 1 is lanterns in wallets. In my family, put lanterns in pockets or wallets in the new year for attract the abundance. Other superstition is eat 12 grapes. When the clock mark the 12 o'clock in my family, all eat 12 grapes and make 12 wishes for each one. Other superstition is bathing with sweet and bitter herbs. In my family, in 31st this on December, my family bathing with sweet and bitter herbs to attract good luck in the new year. Other superstition for the new year is, for example, bathing in a river. In my family, the first in January, travel to a river near of the city and bathing with rake soap for attract the good luck in the new year. Other superstition or tradition is with my family round around the block with a bags, full bags for attract a good look for the new year or for attract many travels in the new year. Other superstition is the weather. In my family, think that the 12 days in January, the weather is the weather that we have for all year. For example, in the first day of January is the weather for January. The second day is the second weather for February. Mm, the third day is the weather for the third month, that is March, and so on. Okay, other superstition is not on December or New Year, is boiling the chocolate. In my family, things that led to chocolate boil 5 times for can drink a delicious chocolate. It's a really superstition. Okay, thank you for your attention.